nag-dub sa Pasig at nakita ko yung original na facade ng DAP. Tapos, kausap namin yung kaibigan ko from advertising industry. Because we were talking about the rebranding or kumbaga, how to go back to the institutional memory and brand of DAP. Ang comment sa akin ni Tanks, yung kaibigan ko sa ad agency is, June, your logo is perfect. Do not change anything. Even yung direction ng original na design sa facade, huwag niyong palitan. Go back to it. Go back to the original vision of DAP. And that was, I think, the only confidence I needed when I talked to Ma'am Paige. Sabi ko, Ma'am Paige, asan na yung original letters sa harap? Can we bring it back? Sabi niya, sir, nasa sulok lang yan. Palinisan ko muna at pa-shine bago natin ilagay. And today is the realization, I think, of
nasa amin yung isa.
what we need to see after half a century, which is, ito yung mukha ng DAP, ito yung vision ng ating mga founders, and there's a lot more to look forward to. Kanina sabi ni President, past, si Ma'am Deden, troubled past. Si Sir daw ay progress. Siguro kaming mga batang officers naman ang future ng DAP. And para sa amin, napakahalaga to honor the legacy of those who came before us and the founders of the Development Academy of the Philippines. And we want to return to that original vision because that's the vision that we carry until today and that we should carry into the future. Yun lamang po yung aking very short closing message. Maraming salamat at magandang